Hello students, today I am going to teach you all dissolution of partnership of class 12 for CBCA student. Okay, good morning. First, what is dissolution of partnership? According to Partnership Act 1932, dissolution of partnership means the termination of partnership among partners. After termination of partnership, the assets of firm is realized and the liabilities of firm are paid. For this purpose, an account is created which name is realization account. Realization account means when all assets of the firm except cash and cash equivalent and fictitious assets, all assets are written in their book value in debit side, and all non-current liabilities are written in the credit side of realization account at their book value. Okay, then the amount realized from assets are written in credit side of realization account by the head cash or bank. When any assets taken by partners are written in credit side by partners current or capital account. When capital is fixed nature, then it should be written as by partners current account. When no information is given about capital, then we should write by partners current account. All the liabilities for which information is given or not given, but they should be paid in debit side of realization account by the heading to cash or bank. For example, if we have two liabilities, creditor, bank overdraft, but information is given only for creditors for paid, but we have to pay both liabilities in debit side of realization account. Okay, if any liabilities that is taken by partners itself, then it should be written in debit side by partner's name to partner's capital account. Realization expenses for firm is written in debit side to cash or bank as it is required. If any partner wants to bear realization expenses, then the name of partners is mentioned in debit side of realization account to partners capital account. One thing is very important for realization expenses, and that is if, mind carefully what I am going to say, if firm paid realization expenses, then we write to cash or bank. If partner paid realization expenses on behalf of firm, then we write to partners current or capital account. But when firm is given a partner for remuneration and the realization expenses also mentioned in that question, then we not use realization expenses in that case. We just write to partners current or capital account and write the amount of remuneration, not expenses. Okay, realization account, when the unrecorded assets are given in adjustment, we write it on credit side of realization account by unrecorded assets by cash or bank heading, and mention the name of assets. When unrecorded liabilities are given, then it should be written in debit side of relation account to cash or bank heading. When the credit side of relation account is excess over the debit side of relation account, then it should be treated as profit and transferred to partners capital account, to profit transfer to partners capital account and distributed in existing ratio. When ratio is not given in question, then it should be transferred in equal ratio. But when the debit side is excess over credit side, then it is treated as loss and retained by loss transfer to partners capital account and distributed in existing ratio or equal ratio. Okay. Dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. There is one difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of firm. If firm is dissolved, then it should not be run again because all partners are agreed for that situation. But when dissolution of partnership, it means remaining partners should be run it again. Okay. So dissolution of firm means dissolve for all time, but dissolution of partnership means not to dissolve for all time. It should be run if partners are interested to do such work. Okay. They are flowing ledgers account open in the books of firm. Number first, realization account, which I taught earlier in this video, and second, partners current account or capital account as it is required. Third, partners loan account, and then we create cash or bank account for the equal balance of both sides. If the balance of both sides are equal, then your answer is correct. Okay. So I am going to teach you all journal entries of dissolution of partnership one by one. First, for transfer of all assets except cash and cash equivalent and fictitious assets to realization account at their book value. Realization account debit to sundry assets account. Write the name individually, okay? Like to plant and machinery, to land and building, to furniture, to vehicles, etc. Second, all the non-current and current liabilities are transferred to realization account at their book value are as external liabilities account debit to realization account. Mention their name individually like sundry creditors account debit, bank overdraft account debit, wife's loan account debit, outstanding expenses account debit, bills payable account debit to realization account. Next, all the specific reserves and provisions like investment fluctuation fund, provisions for depreciation, provision for doubtful debts are transferred to realization account. Entries are provision for bad debts account debit, provision for depreciation account debit, investment fluctuation fund account debit, joint life policy reserve account debit to realization account. These are specific reserve and provisions. Okay. Next, when the amount realized from assets, then the entry is cash or bank account debit to realization account. You should write cash if cash is mentioned in balance sheet, but cash at bank is mentioned in balance sheet, then you should write bank. Okay. Next, when the liabilities are paid, then the entries is realization account debit to cash or bank. Okay. Narration is mandatory. Okay. So you have to write narration in each entry. Next, When the realization expenses is paid by firm, then the entry is realization account debit to cash or bank account. But the realization expenses is paid by partners and bear by firm, then it should be written as realization account debit to partners capital account. Okay, and partners capital account debit to cash or bank account. When realization expenses is given and partners remuneration is also given in that question, then we have to write the amount of remuneration on the place of expenses. Okay, and entries are same as realization account debit to partners capital account. We should write partners current account, but when capital is fixed. When capital is fluctuating or no information is given in that question, so we have to write only partners capital account. Okay. Next, when any assets taken by partners itself, then the entry is partners current or capital account debit to realization account. When any assets transferred on behalf of liabilities, then no entry is mentioned in the books of firm as regarding realization account. When liabilities is taken over by partners, then entry is realization account debit to partners current or capital account. Unrecorded assets realized, then the entry is cash or bank account debit to realization account. Unrecorded liabilities are paid, then entry is realization account debit to cash or bank account. Okay. Partners loan. For the payment of partners loan, entries are partners loan account debit to cash or bank account. Partners loan is not transferred to realization account because these are internal liabilities. Only external liabilities are transferred in realization account. First main important matter is that. Next, the profit on realization transfer to partners current or capital account, and the entries are realization account debit to partners current or capital account. The loss on realization accounts are transferred to partners capital account to, and entries partners current or capital account debit to realization account. Okay. For the settlement of partners capital, we have to prepare partners capital account, and all necessary points are transferred in debit or credit line. First, in partners capital account, we have to write by balance BD and mention all amounts of capitals in their specific column, and then by general reserve, by credit balance of PL account, by realization account profit, two side to debit balance of PL account, to realization account loss, and difference are treated as to cash or bank. Okay, and the entry for settlement of partners current or capital account are partners capital account debit to cash or bank account. At last, we should open cash or bank account for satisfaction of answer. If the both side of cash or bank account is equal, then your answer is correct. Okay, so these are the entries and ledger accounts for the purpose of dissolution of partnership. Again, I repeat, there are 4 necessary ledger accounts in the books of firm as regarding dissolution of partnership. Number 1, realization account. Number 2, partners current or capital account. Number 3, partners loan account, and number 4, cash या bank account. Okay, so these things are in my minds for you all. I hope you all understand it and completely listen what I taught for you all. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye.